Good afternoon, everyone. Here we will discuss chapter 9, and in which circumference and area of a circle, and exercise 9C. And in 9C, question number 6. Question number 6 is saying that two circles having the same center have radii 350 meter and 490 meter. Then we have to calculate the difference between their circumferences. So we know the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. If radii is different, then the circumferences are different. So in the problem given that we have two circles, and first circle has radii 350 meter, and second circle has radii 490 meter. It is first circle, and it is second circle. Then its circumference is C1 and its circumference is C2. So we have to find the difference between the circumferences of two circles. So C2 minus C1 is equal to C2 means 2 pi into value of r, and value of r, which is radius of the circle C2, is 490, and value of first circle, its circumference is C1 and its radius is 350. So 2 pi into r, which is 350 for first circle. So 2 pi and 2 pi is common in both terms. Therefore 2 pi, and in round bracket we get 490 minus 350. So 2 pi into difference of 490 and 350 is 0. 9 minus 5, 4 minus 3, 140. And value of pi is 22 by 7 for calculation. So we put here 22 by 7 into 140, and here 7 2s are 14 and 0. So 22 2s are 44 into 20, and 44 into 20, which is 880 meter. So 880 meter is the difference of circumferences of both the circles. Now we have another problem. Which is question number 7 of exercise 9C. In this question is saying that find the perimeter of a semicircular plate of radius 3.85 centimeter. Here we have a semicircular plate and its radius is given that in the problem 3.85, and we have to calculate the perimeter of a semicircular plate. So radius of semicircular plate is given, which is 3.85 centimeter, and we have to calculate the perimeter of semicircular plate. Suppose that semicircular plate is in the form of like this. Here it is semicircular plate. Semicircular plate, and its radius is given. Suppose center is O and one end point is A and other end point is B. So radius is 3.85 centimeter, which is OB or OA, both are same. So perimeter of semicircular plate is equal to length of curved part of a plate and length of this straight line AOB is the perimeter of semicircular plate. So it is pi r, which is length of circular part of a semicircular plate, and length of a straight line, which is diameter of the semicircular plate, is equal to 2 into r, because we know that diameter of the circle is twice of its radius. So here we put value of r in both the terms, and value of pi is also, which is 22 by 7 into 3.85 plus 2 into 3.85. Here 3.85 is both in the term, common in both terms, so 3.85 is common. Then we get in round bracket 22 upon 7 plus 2, and 22 upon 7 here 22 plus 14 upon 7 into 3.85. 22 and 14, sum of 22 and 14, which is 36 upon 7 into 3.85. Here we divide 3.85 by 7, we get 7 5s are 35, and again 7 5s are 35. It means 0.55. So we get 36 into 0.55, and product of 36 and 0.55 is perimeter of semicircular plate, and it is in the form of meter because centimeter, because radius of semicircular plate is given in the centimeter. Now we have another problem. Of exercise 9C, which is question number 9. Question number 9 is saying that if the rhombus of the perimeter of a rhombus is equal to the circumference of a circle, if each side of the rhombus measures 11 centimeter, then find the radius of the circle. In the problem, we have to given that perimeter of a rhombus is equal to